Welcome to 602 Parkvue Place. You are going to love the walkability of this location. Walk to shopping, restaurants, and even Red Caboose Park. This is a fully upgraded Ingram floor plan that offers 3 levels of living space, a covered front porch, a covered balcony with 2 fans, and this is your green space view. Offers quartz counters throughout, and the primary suite has a beautiful walk-in shower with tile all the way to the ceiling and a large walk-in closet. All of this and more in the heart of Bellevue. For more information or to set up a private viewing, please reach out.